Hi, welcome to Mary Maxim Monday. This is Teresa with Yarn again. I just found this in my room. I'm not sure if I showed it before, but it was so pretty. It's worth a look at again. I have given up on the purse. It was just too frustrating for me, and the frustration is not worth the aggravation. And sorry, I told you I'd be honest on this channel, and I will be. I'm not going to finish it at this time. Maybe eventually I'll get stronger with the stitches. The stitch isn't that hard. It's the splitty yarn. Anyway, this is the throw. It should be on Throw Thursday, but it's Mary Maxim Monday, and it is from Mary Maxim. And this throw is the Wistful Waves throw. You'll pardon the lawnmower in the background. This throw is part of the quarterly month club. Every quarter you will get a throw, with all the yarn you need to make this beautiful, or the blanket of their choice, blanket. It is $29.99 a quarter, and you actually get a whole afghan for that. And if there's a special tool like there is this month, which requires this thingy, it's a circular hook. They do ask you to cut it and put a button. I haven't done it, as you can see. But it comes with this yarn. This yarn is, I'm not going to take it out because I'm outside. This yarn is Red Heart Soft. It is soft. It is washable. It takes a 6mm hook. It's Yarn Inspirations. It is the color Blanco or Off-White. It's a 4. It's washable and dryable. And you get red, although there is burgundy in the deal, because my son, Creative Craftings with SC, got burgundy. This is more of a red. Oops, I'm dropping it. This is more of a red. I'm out here for the beautiful colors and the light. Again, Yarn Inspirations. This is wine. I don't know. It looks more like a Christmassy red to me. Not too bright, but you know, that nice red. And you get three balls of that. And you get, how many balls of that? You get how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls of the white or off-white. And when you get this done, it makes a blanket the size of 45 by 49 inches. You probably saw that already. And it's beautiful. Here's a closer look at the stitches. It looks kind of easy, but it's a trick because you got to use the circular hook. And I have 3 of these, so I don't know what I'm doing with them. So eventually, hopefully I get to it, because I'm not this advanced. It says it's an intermediate. I know I've been crocheting for a very long time. However, I've only been crocheting, other than a granny square, for about 8 months, 9 months. And I'm just learning other stitches. So I'll get to it, I guess. That's the stuff that comes in the kit. See, it says grape or wine. My son got the grape, which looked more like a burgundy. And that does not look like any glass of red wine I've ever had, which sounds good, and it's only like 10 o'clock. Sounds good. And if you hold on a minute while I put this back in the bag, I will show you something really pretty. Not my wood pile. That's as far close as I can get. See the little purple flowers? Aren't they pretty? Let me scan, see if we see anything. Sometimes you could see a deer or whitetail out here. And you can hear the birds. This has all grown like this in the past month. Hear the birds? They're so pretty. And there's my, what's going to be tomatoes. And there's all those are buttercups. Aren't they beautiful? I love buttercups. Let me see if I can get closer. Yeah. That's as close as I can get, sorry. They're so pretty, aren't they? More of the purple flowers. Sorry. Over there. Well, I thank you for coming to Yarn Again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. I do appreciate it.